Good morning, second grade, or good afternoon, or good evening. We are going to do another Esti-Mystery. Are you ready? Let's see if we can figure out how many beads are on this string. Now we have two different bowls. You see that there's 3 beads in the center on the ground there, but the string goes into each of the bowls, and you have to figure out how many beads are there. So take a minute, think about it. How many beads are on that string? I'm going to go with 47. I may be right, I may be wrong, but let's find out with some of the clues. Here we go. Clue number 1. Is the total an odd number or an even number? The two bowls are holding the same number of beads. Okay, that's interesting. But you still have to think about the 3 in the center. Are you going to change your estimate or are you going to keep it the same? Let's look at clue 2. The answer is not a multiple of 5. So the answer can't be 5 or 10 or 15 or 20. It can't be any number that ends in a 5 or a 0. Does that change your estimate? Okay, let's keep going. The answer does not include the digit 3 or the digit 7. So my answer of 47 does not work. So I'm going to change it now to, I want to keep it kind of close. I'm going to go with 49. All right, let's go to clue number 4. The answer is one more than a multiple of 5. Okay, I have to make a change again. So it has to be a number that's just over a number that ends in a 5 or a 0. So now I'm going to change it. I had 47. I went to 49. I'm going to go with 46. Clue 5. The answer is not a multiple of 3. So it can't be a 3 or a 6, 9, 12. If you skip count by 3s, you can eliminate all those numbers. Now what are you thinking? Did you change your estimate at all for any of these, or do you still have the same estimate? It's okay if you have to change it. That's part of the game. You have to think about what you know and what you're trying to figure out by using these clues. All right, let's move on. All right, the reveal. What is the answer? And the answer is 61. Oh my gosh, I was way off. How about you? Were you on? Were you close? Were you in the ballpark? Off by 5, off by 10? I was off by more than 10. And then there's a bonus question. So how many beads are in each bowl? That's a tough one, which I bet you can figure it out because you know that there's 2 bowls. You know that there's 3 in the center. What can you do to figure out how many in each bowl? I'm going to let you figure that one out for yourself. All right. I hope you have a great day. Hope you're all being safe, having fun. Enjoy the weather, and I'll talk to you soon. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.